Hey guys, it's your girl Chloe. Today I have this very romantic Valentine's Day makeup for you guys. So if you guys want to find out how I created this look, keep watching. I roll my hair up and I'm gonna jump right into my primer, which is NYX Angel Veil. I'm going to smooth this primer over the areas where my pores are big and visible. After that, I'm going to jump right into foundation. I'm using Espoir's Pro Tailor Liquid Foundation EX in Porcelain Warm. It's time to conceal and contour. So I'm going to use my Fit Me Concealer in number 15 to brighten the dark places around my face. Using the Wet n Wild contour stick, I'm just going to draw the lines in first and then blend it later. Using my concealer brush, I'm going to just dab in my concealer where I've applied them. And using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, I'm going to blend out the contour that I've drawn in earlier. Time to set my base makeup. I'm using Mercier's translucent setting powder. Alright, I'm just going to finish my face makeup first. So I'm going to go into this contour palette. And I'm going to go over the contour that we blended out with this powder. Taking this lightest color, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to take my favorite highlighter, the Becca Skin Perfector, and I'm just going to put it all around my cheeks and my nose, my cupid's bow, everywhere pretty much. Since we're going out on a date, I want my makeup to last, so I'm using this Makeup Forever Aqua Brow to draw in my brows so they will last. Time for some eyeshadows. I'm using Pony Effects Unlimited Cream Shadow in Beloved to set my base color. I'm going to use this eyeshadow from Etude House. It's a peachy color with gold shimmer in it. I'm going to just go over the color that I've just put on my lid to just intensify the color. I'm going to be using the Sufur palette from CLIO, and I'm going to use the darkest brown color. I'm going to pop this color onto the outer corners of my eyes, and then I will blend it with my handy dandy Sephora blending brush. Time to line my eyes. To give off a soft finish to the eyes, I'm going to use this brown liquid eyeliner from Kiss Me. And I'm just going to tightline my eyes and then put out a soft wing at the end. Time for some lashes. I'm using Aritaum's Premium Idol Lash in number 12 Girl Group. Make sure you curl your lashes after applying your lashes on because you want your falsies and the natural lashes to blend in nicely. I'm also using Aritaum's Idol Lash number 4 in Underlash to apply this onto my bottom lashes. Just by adding the underlashes, your eyes just look instantly bigger and more dramatic. Ooh, I really enjoy these lashes and how my eyes look right now. I'm just going to put on some colors on my cheeks and using this Can Make cheek color. I don't want my cheeks to be overpowering, so I'm just going to gently sweep this color over the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to use a lip liner today from Wake Make, and it's called Rose Quartz. It's a very nice beige rose color. I've just been so obsessed with this lip liner because it gives me the illusion that I have thicker, juicier lips, and it's kind of like an MLBB for me, so it looks perfect to outline my lips. It gives me an illusion that I had lip fillers in, and it just, I don't know, makes me feel so glam wearing this lip liner. I love it. I'm going to apply this lipstick inside the lip liner, and this is the MAC's Lunar New Year edition in Prosperity. I love this peachy color. that's not it, guys. We have one more lipstick here. It's a stronger pink color for the inner parts of my lips. I want to create that soft gradient lips that are kissable, so I'm going to apply it into the inner parts of my lips. And our look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this very romantic, glam Valentine's Day makeup look. If you guys liked the video, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you have any comments for me, drop some love down in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go do that also. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.